What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy Sunday. And today we're going to be talking about ETFs. That's correct. We're going to be talking about two of my most favorite ETFs for 2020. And the minute you start learning the relationship between these two, you will be able to make such a great amount of money just because it's so damn easy. That's right. Not only you would be able to day trade them, but you would be able to invest into each one of them. And we're going to be talking about how you would be able to basically learn the relationship between them two and be able to make money off of them, not only day trading, but also be able to invest in each one of them in every single day and make money off of them. So let's go ahead and talk about those. Let's roll. All right, people. So let's talk about ETF today. And man, it's such an exciting day to talk about ETFs because I think it's going to be a great week ahead of us. And I think you guys would be able to make such a great amount of money. Again, everything is my opinion. Don't forget to do your own research and to find out what's the best time for you to invest into these kind of stocks. But today I'm going to be talking about basically the TQs and SQs. The ETFs are TQQQ and SQQQ. And these two basically work opposite of each other. So basically TQs is just like basically as a whole, it looks at the NASDAQ. And when the NASDAQ goes up as a whole, TQs goes up. When the NASDAQ as a whole comes down, basically TQs are coming down. But not only TQs are coming down when the NASDAQ as a whole is coming down, SQs are going up. So it's basically completely opposite of the stock market and completely opposite of TQs. And it's so easy to make money because the SQs right now, basically the inverse or the shorting of the same stock is so cheap right now. Right now, each stock is about $10.59 and you would be able to buy more of that stock. So basically you want to be on a lookout, you want to do your own research, and whenever you feel like the stock market is basically going to be going down because of a bad news or something that is happening, that's the right time for you to basically buy the SQs. Just because the market is going down, that means the SQ is going to be going up and you will be able to make such a great amount of money in such a short period of time. And don't worry about day trading, just because I know a lot of you guys, just like me, when we started, I didn't have $25,000 to basically start investing as a day trader, but I was able to still do day trading in Robinhood or WEBULL, basically 3 times a day, 3 times a week in 5 days period of time. So you still would be able to day trade them, but just not 20 times a day every single day. So you would be able to do 3 different basically tradings in a 5 days period of time in the stock market, and it is easy to make money off of each one of them. TQs are actually going for 75.32 right now, and I think it's a great time for someone who wants to basically put their money in there and basically don't touch it for a few years. It's going to be a great time to basically invest into it, just because looking at a basically 1 year chart for the basically TQs, it was right around basically $118 at the peak, and basically it was always going up within the past decade. So it's still a great time for you to buy it right now, since it's almost half off right now at 75.32, and you would be able to make money the minute the stocks start going back up and we're done with this epidemic, and you would be able to see your money grow. But if you wanted something that is a little bit short-term investment, you would be able to play basically with the SQs and TQs to make money basically on a daily basis, at least a couple of percent every single day. And that's a great comeback for a lot of you guys to be able to make money basically every single day. And the reason these two are two of my favorite is just because it's so easy to make money off of each of them. What I usually do, I use WEBULL, and what I do is basically start looking at the pre-market hours. In Vegas, you can basically start trading in the pre-market hours from 1 a.m. all the way till 6 a.m., which would be the pre-market hours. So you have 5 hours to see what is going on in the pre-market hours. And that's usually a good indicator for you to see how the market is going to be playing out that day. And it is the perfect basically opportunity for you to be able to decide if the market is going up that day, then you would be able to basically start investing in TQs. And if the stock market is going down that day, you would be able to basically start investing in the SQs, just because the stock market is coming down, the SQ is going to be going back up again. And basically you would be able to repeat this scenario every single day trading, and you would be able to basically make money off of them regardless of what's going on in the market. So if the market is going up, you can always invest in TQs and make your money there and sell your stock basically almost the next day or the same day if you have day trading left. Or if you think the money, basically the stock market is coming down, it would be a great time basically to sell all your TQs and invest more money in the SQs, so you would be able to make money while the stock market is coming down. Your stock's gonna be going up. Again, I'm gonna post a link for you guys in the card up there talking about UGAS and DGAS, and basically it's the same type of relationship between those two accounts as well too, which you would be able to make money basically no matter what's going on with the natural gas. And DGAS and UGAS have the basically same relationship as going up and down, completely opposite of each other, and you would be able to make money into them in such a great amount of time. And it's amazing how easy that can be. Just like opposite of what everyone tells you that day trading is hard, trading into the stock market is hard. In that video, I'm gonna be explaining you how easy it is to basically be able to make money off of natural gas. And again, this is an ETF that you would be able to make money basically every single day, regardless of what's going on with the market. Either it's going down or it's going up, you still would be able to make money off of it in these two ETFs. And hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button if I earned it, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about basically these type of ETFs that are basically on opposite of each other, and how you guys would be able to make money off of each one of them if you actually want to take less amount of risk and just put your money into TQs and start waiting for the basically the stock market to go back up again, or if you actually do day trade them and basically make money in the correlation that they have in opposite of basically relationship that they have, and they're going up and down. And hopefully I would be able to see you guys soon in a couple of days. Hopefully you had a great weekend. Have a wonderful day and ciao.